Go.
Wait, that's 4 characters.
Yeah. Is it a? It's a sniper. Did Grandpa make that?
What do you think about that, man?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes!
All right,
You
look.
know Nanny
Wait. Hold on, let's check this out.
Then that's another one. Yeah.
Oh,
that's cool. Oh, like it's ammo, Mama?
That's sweet.
Nanny and Papa made this one too, I bet. Yep, Nanny and Papa made this one too. It's really heavy. Yeah. You can see it. Take it out from here.
I think he's capable of opening his own gift.
No fair. You got one? Oh, that's a 22 shotgun.
2 of them.
What is 2 shotgun? Dude, you're awesome.
That one's a pump shotgun.
Grandpa, Bill.
Oh, nice.